Hi, this is LOC645 coming to you today with another Nerf gun modification. This is called the Vulcan EBF-25. This is an automatic machine gun made by Nerf. This gun has been modified. It will shoot without batteries. It has a cocking bolt right here. It's got a cocking bolt, so if the batteries do run dead, you can still shoot the gun. That's pretty cool. And I'm going to show you the modifications that I did to this Vulcan. So here we go. First of all, what we have here is a battery pack. It is a 9.6 battery rechargeable battery pack, and it comes with a rechargeable. All you do is just plug it into the wall. Take your battery pack, just plug it right in, plug it to the wall, and you're charging. Or if you have a quick charger, you can plug it to your quick charger and it will charge that battery pack. Or to charge this battery pack. What you do is, how you do this is you plug it up to the battery pack here, and then you put it inside here nice and snugly, just like so. And then you take your Vulcan, flip your Vulcan over, unscrew the component here, take your battery pack, make sure it goes in with the silver part inside, then you screw it back down in there so it locks it in place, and there you go. Uh-oh. That's okay, this bipod comes off, so it is removable. There you go. This is the Vulcan here. I'm going to show you guys. This is the extended barrel tip. It's been painted orange because it's a toy gun. And the way you do it is you can either shoot it with a short barrel tip, or you can shoot it with the long one here. All it does is just screws onto the front, just like so, and there you go. You put it on there and it will not come off the gun. You have to unscrew it to get it off. This is the Vulcan here. It will shoot without the batteries, or you could shoot it with the 9.6. You turn it on by pushing this button here. There's a locking mechanism inside here to activate the power. I'm going to be shooting the gun, and I'll show you how to shoot it. This is the belt. It holds 25 Nerf darts. You just snap it onto the side, just like so. Put the belt in there. Just like that. Close this first and then close this. Now you're ready to shoot the gun. You can shoot it like this with the bipod, or you can take the bipod off and carry it around and shoot it. We're going to go ahead and cock the gun, turn the power on, and we're going to shoot. You can shoot it without the long barrels. Just unscrew it. Well, we're out of darts. I'm going to go ahead and load up a few more darts real quick, and we'll shoot it again. This comes with 25 Nerf darts. These are whistling darts. When you shoot these darts and they're flying through the air, they make a whistling sound. But this will be put on eBay for sale. Just click on the link below and it'll take you right to eBay. I'm only putting in a little bit of darts. This is how you load it. Just stick the belt inside the box. close that. Well, first you got to close this and then this. Cock it back and then fire. It will keep going until the belt comes out of the side here. You can also carry it without the bipod. It's got a handle, so you can shoot it. You can cock it without the batteries. That's pretty cool. But this will be put on eBay for sale. Just click on the link below, like I said, and you'll find it on eBay. It has this extended barrel. This is pretty cool. I like this. You just take it, put it right here on the orange tip, screw it in, and it's locked in place. You can also shoot the gun without the box. You can take the box off, put your belt in there, like so, close the door, turn the power on, and run around firing. But this is the gun. If you like it, leave a comment or a question, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. This is LOC 645. See ya. I'm going to take the battery pack out. There you go. And you go to charge it. Plug this to the wall. And then charging it up. Everything you see here on the table is what you will get. So this is LOC 645. Thanks for watching. See ya.